Ugh, I'm bored. What should we do today, guys? I don't know. Let's just wait here and see what happens. Okay. Whoa, where's all that light coming from? Redbird? Who is that? What the? Hey! Are you a clone? No. I'm from the year 2002. But I'm from the past. What? How can you be from the past? Well, listen. I don't know why I came here. There's just some kind of a weird portal just opened up. I was interested, then I went inside. Okay? Right now we're in the year of 2012. You're from 2002, aren't you? Yes. Okay? I thought people with teleporters come from the future. And I thought you were from the future. But I'm not. Huh. That's odd. There's a mini Redbird there. There's no past Yellowbird, right? No past Blackbird either. Well, so if you wanted to warn me or something, what did you want? Well, I've come to say to you, but I wanted to know what the future looked like. Okay, that's a little odd, but I don't care. Well, second of all, I come to warn you about that. There's a little king pig. You mean the prince pig? No. He was the king pig in 2002. He was small, but then years later he grew up. Oh, you mean the big king pig? I've seen him. You'll see him when you get older. Yeah, that's right. I'll see him when I get older. Wait a minute. Where the heck is King Pig anyway? I don't know. Haha! Redbird. Behind you. What the? Are you the King Pig? Are you stupid? Yes, I am the King Pig. You look different today. King Pig? I'm the real Redbird. He came from the past. Wait a minute. I don't remember. Wait. Oh yeah, we were both, you're from 22. And then I was a lot smaller. Yeah, I know, King Pig. Well, for a second, I thought you were the Prince Pig in 22. No? Are you crazy? It's 2012. He came from here 10 years ago. Yeah, that's right, Redbird. I came from here 2 years ago. Well, it's okay. You can stay here in 2012. Besides, no duplicates will be doomed here. Besides, Bluebird has duplicates. They're never doomed. Wait a minute. Bluebird? Who's Bluebird? You met him in 2008. Oh, right. Well, look behind you. Hey, Blackbird, I met you in 2001. Yellowbird, I met you in 2003. Well, so what? You can stay here if you like. But whenever you gotta go back and get some, whatever. Wait, you got a slingshot? I used to, but it broke. Oh yeah, that's right, I wasn't remembering. In 2008 it broke. Well, don't worry. Mason's dad will make a new one. Right, Mason? Yeah, he'll make a new one. Yeah, so he's gonna make a new one. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna kill you. Ow! stronger this year. Well, duh, you got bigger. Alright, now what we do is we beat the crap out of him. Okay. There. I just did it. So, I'd like you to meet these. Did you know their powers before? No. What's my power? My power is nothing. So is yours. Oh, okay. So this is Blackbird. He always blows up when he gets mad, or if he gets really hard buildings. And this is Speedy Yellow. He always goes super fast. Well, not super fast, but fast. Okay, check it out. Yep. So yeah, you can stay here if you like. Well, I know you're not a duplicate or anything, but you can stay. Well, thanks. I guess I met the older self, and I met the younger self. I don't have any younger selves. Me neither. But I do have a father and 2 uncles. They're gone missing. Must have went to jail or something? I don't know. Yeah, I've seen my father in 2002. But then he was missing in 28. I see. Yeah, but... Well... Boys, we have ourselves a new recruit in the group. We're never gonna kick you out, younger me. I'm not kicking you out, older me. We're never gonna kick you out, younger Redbird. Never. Yay!